Oh, no. I got the hiccups. Oh, hello, Jimmy. Bob, would you like to come to the park? Jerry wants to feed the ducks. Oh, I'd love to, Jimmy, but I got the hiccups at the moment. I come along when I got rid of them. Put your finger in each ear and stand on one leg. It always works for me, doesn't it, Jerry? Oh, well, thanks, Jimmy. Maybe see you later. No, that's silly. That wouldn't work. Perhaps if I hold my breath and count to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. They're gone. Oh, no. Ears. Droop ears. Sticky out ears. Ear ache. Fever. Flu. Fat tomatoes. Face ache. Where is it? Google eyes. Giddiness. Headaches. Whooping cough. Ah! There we are! Hiccups. To cure hiccups, place yourself in an upside down position and sing a song. Sing a song? Oh well, I suppose this is worth a try. I don't want to have the hiccups. Hiccups, you must go. I don't want to have the... Ah, that's better.